I previously made a detailed video on Tesla Smart Air suspension. You can see the link here in the iCard and down in the description below. But with Tesla software update 2020.28.5, the heights of the suspension have been adjusted. So I made a video here showing the new heights. Please enjoy. To recap on the Model S and Model X with the Smart Air suspension, you've got settings from very high, high, standard, low, which is where my service center put me, and very low. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at very low, work our way up to very high so that you can compare to the other video. There we go, that's very low. Future Kacey here. The last video with the 3-meter selfie stick was less than stable. So here we are in the parking garage. Hopefully there's enough light. I brought the tape measure this time and a small tripod. So we're going to reshoot this and see what happens. Okay, this is the car in standard, for me, low. So we're going to go into the controls, and we're going to get suspension. We're going to move it down to very low. Okay, this is low. Oh, this is very low. Sorry, this is very low. This is low. Still going. And it's complete. You can actually feel the difference in my hand with the tape measure. So we've gone from very low back to low. Now we go to standard. Okay, that's standard. Now, high and very high are the settings they say they've changed. So let's take a look. Moving to high. Sorry, it's actually moving there. I did not know that it moved enough for me to have to worry about the flex of the tape. All right, so that's high. Now we're going to move to very high. Still going. All right, it's completed the very high. So I'm going to release the main brake, and then I'm going to put it back on so we don't roll away. Okay, brakes back on. So that's the new very high. And now we're going to go take it all the way back to very low, and so you can see the difference. Going from very high to very low. All right, it says it's complete. I'm going to release the brake. Put it back on. So that's the new very low to very high, or in this case, very high to very low. I'm going to go back one more time, speed it up for you guys. So one thing I did not do was I didn't do any sort of speed or acceleration tests at high and very high because my car suffers from shudder. Well, it has in the past. It's been repaired twice, maybe 3 times now for the shudder issue. So because of that, I don't want to have any chance to re-invoke that behavior, especially since it appears that this update is designed to mitigate that. So over here are videos that YouTube thinks you'll enjoy. And over here is a subscription bubble. Catch you on the next one.